Finally, Android users can enable most awaited dark mode for Google Chrome browser. Mostly users prefer Chrome dark mode as it's not only provide better user interface, also it doesn't harm your eyesight, even if you keep browsing whole the day long. In order to enable dark mode, you are required to update your Chrome web browser to the latest version. Once you updated your browser version, you can enable Chrome dark mode for your Android device. Just follow our complete guide provided in this video. Open your Chrome web browser window and type Chrome flags. In the search flags, type and search dark. Here you are required to enable two options: 1. Android web content dark mode, 2. Android Chrome user interface dark mode. Once enabled, Chrome asks you to relaunch the browser. Click on relaunch button and here you can see and running Google Chrome in dark mode for Android. This only enables dark mode for new windows and sites you are currently surfing, but there is no option to enable or disable dark in Chrome menu. If you also want to enable the dark mode for Chrome menu, go to your mobile device settings. And from here click on apps and then Chrome. Here you are required to force stop the Chrome. Close all background including Chrome and reopen the Chrome browser. Go to Chrome settings and now you can see dark mode for menu as well. If any time you want to disable the dark mode, you can do so by reverting hold the process.